make an app. We're going to try to make a tumor board. Super easy to do. First, get an account on Claude. And then you go to Claude.ai, log in. I've just got the $20 version per month, and there actually been increasing usage limits recently, so it's been working pretty well. There are a bunch of buttons here on the side. We're going to just actually do an artifact instead of a project because this will be relatively straightforward. I think it'll work. Let's go ahead and click on artifacts. We're going to make a new artifact, which is essentially like an app. You can tell what kind of app you want to make. Just going to make choose this one, apps and websites. I'm going to go ahead and paste here the prompt that was from a LinkedIn post. Build a tumor board with a bunch of descriptions in here. Go ahead and hit go, and it'll start. As it creates this, it can actually make adjustments to it too as you go through it. If you don't actually like the way the app looks, this is the first version that's creating. And it's asking, are you ready to build it? And just, yeah, I like what they did. Let's go ahead and do that. Just say yes. So it's going through, writing the code. It's creating the different types of specialties that will be part of the tumor board: pathologist, radiologist, radon, palliative care, and so on. I'm currently using Sonnet 4.6 for this. You can also use different modes and models. For right now, it's using 4.6 just because it's a little lower cost. You can always crank it up to Opus 4.6. I haven't used that yet. I wouldn't use Haiku because that's probably not going to be a powerful enough model to make this. But that's something you can play around with. Okay, it looks like it's done something. Looks like it's kind of created an app. That's interesting. I'm going to ask for a little bit different. I'm going to say, can you make a dark background and also include a sample case? Okay. So it's going to go through and edit the code, see if it can do that. Looks like it's making a sample case. Okay, looks like let's see what this actually does now. Okay, so you can put in the case details, histology, um, male or female, cancer type, stage. Let's see if it actually created a sample case for me or not. Ah, there it is. Load sample case. Great. So let's load the sample case. 67-year-old male with adenocarcinoma, um, non-small cell, stage 3A. Gives a clinical narrative. I'm just going to put in something. Proceed to my recommendation. I'm just going to put in something like surgery and chemo. And let's see what happens at that point. Let's see. Okay, continue the tumor board. Let's see. Oh, recommended approach. Let me put that there. This is actually where your rationale should go. I'm just going to leave that blank for now. I'll just say based on literature. I'm not a oncologist, so just start making this up at this point. And we're going to go for treatment intent, potentially curative. Let's go with that. Let's go to the tumor board. Let's see what happens. So now the pathologist is going to be reviewing the case and giving recommendations. Now I've not read in detail to see if this actually makes any sense, but I just want to show this is doing something. There would be a lot more work in terms of whether seeing this app is actually accurate. And I didn't show the project mode, but you could definitely use project mode if you wanted to add more documents that would be used to further define what these different specialties do, or if there's also um, documents you want to have looked up that we refer to and that could be placed in the projects mode. But I'm trying to do a simple artifact at this point, so just to show you how that works. So the moderator's done some synthesis. Okay. Looks like there's some teaching pearls. Looks like the fonts probably need to be adjusted, but that's something you could probably do and edit if you want. And that's it. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how you can publish this. If you want, you can hit the publish button, and this is publish and copy the link. And I'm just going to copy this link here. And you could give this link to somebody else and actually use it. I'm just going to show how it runs right here. But now you have an app that's working online. It's pretty amazing.